Look! Look there! See? What a beautiful! Look! Hi, my nickname is Master Florence. Is 16, today is 16 September 2009. Sorry for my bad English, very bad English. Here we are in one of the beaches in the area of Barisardo. One of the beaches. Look, one beach. Here in Barisardo is a Sardinian town with about 4,000 inhabitants, and today the sea is very rough, very rough. This beach is called Ultima Spiaggia, the last resort, Ultima Spiaggia, last beach. Italian Ultima Spiaggia. Here there is a camping called the same, namely the last resort, Ultima Spiaggia. The camp is behind this car, this parking. Look. Behind the trees. Camping, l'ultima spiaggia, the last resort. Here you can go to the beach. Here you can go to the beach for the entire month of October. Come to Sardinia in Bari Beach, in provincia of Ogliastra, here in Ogliastra. This sea, but also the mountain there. I'm sure you will love here, the country of Barisardo. Bye, and good holidays in the future. Bye bye.